What's up everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to set up a Shopify payment gateway or add payment methods to your Shopify online store. So here I have the Shopify website opened and I'm signed in with my account, and here are my store details. I can view my orders, products, my customers, and I can view the store, online store, and so on, and I can add apps. So what I want to do is go to settings here in the bottom left corner. And then in the settings, I just want to go to payments. And here are all the payment settings and the payment options available. So you can add a payment provider. So you can choose here, click here to choose a provider. And here you have many providers. However, many of them or most of them actually are not available in my country. It shows the ones that are available in my country are shown at the top here. So I only have two checkout options. And it is a good option since it is compatible with like a wide number of cards like Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, a JCB, sorry, and Diners Club. And here, if I go back, let's scroll up. Now let's go back here to the payment page. I can add a payment method, and here, as you can see, PayPal is like shown by default in my payment methods. And I can go ahead and activate PayPal since it's a widely spread payment method and it is supported in my country. So I can activate it here. So if I click on Activate PayPal and then click on Activate PayPal Express Checkout, it'll open a new tab where it'll open the PayPal page. And here it'll ask me to sign in order to connect my PayPal account to my Shopify store to receive payments. So I'll have to enter my email, password, and so on. And once I do so, they will be connected. So let's close it for now. Go back to the payments page. And the third option is to add a manual payment method. So we have many manual payment methods. So I can create a custom payment method. I can choose a bank deposit so they can send money directly to my bank account, money order, or cash on delivery so they can pay cash when the item arrives to them. Now, I'll show you how to add a provider. So if we scroll up here and click on choose a provider, as I told you, the to checkout method is the only one available for my country. And here you have like a bogus gateway for testing if you want to test your payments. So let's click here on to checkout. Now it gives me a detailed explanation with steps here on how to activate it and add it as a payment method to my Shopify store. So first of all, I need to create a to checkout account. So I'll open this link in a new tab. Right click and then open link in a new tab here. It'll open this page where I can view the to checkout website, and I can click on sign up for free. Here I have to enter just some details, some like my name, my business email, my password, my website, and so on, and just confirm that I'm not a robot. Then click on get started. So I'll go ahead and fill in all those details and then click on get started. Okay, now it's loaded. However, I had to add in the previous menu where it asked me to enter my website when I had to sign up, to enter my name, email, and so on. I had to enter the URL for my store. So had to go to my Shopify, go to online store, click on the eye icon here, and then I copied this link here, and this is my website or my business website that I had to enter in order to sign up. So here the account is created. Let's close this pop-up, and it tells me what type of products do you want to sell. So I'm selling on Shopify, so I'm a retail physical product. Okay, then click on create account. Okay, now it asks me to log into my account, and it is created successfully. So I'll click here to log in, and then I'll enter the username and password. And what is the username? Okay, so I can log in with my email address. So since I haven't added the username, so I'll enter my email address and my password and then click on sign in. And here I have the to checkout dashboard. Now let's go to a Shopify and then go back to settings, back to payments, then choose a provider, then to checkout, And then let's follow the details. So we already created and logged in to our account. So the third step is I have to access the integrations, then webhooks and API sections in my control panel. So integrations, webhooks and API section. Okay, let's close these tabs, the store. And then copy the merchant code under the API section and paste it in the merchant code here. Okay, so here in the API section we have a merchant code. So let's copy it. And then paste it in the merchant code here. Okay. Now generate a new INS secret word and paste it in the secret word section. Okay, so let's go to the INS secret word here. Okay, secret word. Let's generate a new secret word, INS. Okay, and then copy it and paste it in the secret word here. Okay. Now in the redirect URL section, check enable return after sale. So let's go and check it. Okay. Okay, redirect URL section, enable return after sale. Okay, that's done. And then for the redirect URL section, leave blank. Shopify for return method, select header redirect. Okay. Okay, let's leave this blank. And for the return method, select header redirect, and then click on update. Okay, now this is updated. And for return method, select header. Okay, we already did that. And then all the settings are updated and saved. Now you'll need here to make sure to select to have checked all the cards available. So as I told you, to checkout supports like a large number of cards. So here you can like leave them all checked, or if you have like a couple of them that are available in your country or are working in your country, so you can choose these two. So like in my country, I don't have American Express or JCB or Discover. However, I leave them like checked. However, as I told you, if you do have like only 2 or 3 or even one of them active in your country, you can go ahead and uncheck the rest of them and click on activate to checkout here. Okay, now it says to checkout is activated, and now this payment method is successfully added to my Shopify online store.